Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome to Yusra's Kitchen. Inspire home cooking, baking and cooking tales with Yusra is now Yusra's Kitchen. Who are new, welcome to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you for subscribing old and new subscribers. Yusra's Kitchen, bringing you a restaurant style experience at home. So today's recipe is cheese pizza, mutton cheese pizza, and to make a dough we require 3 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of olive oil, half a cup of warm water, not lukewarm, not very hot but hot water, so when you dip the finger it should feel hot. For seasoning we require salt, a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of fenugreek leaves, half a teaspoon of dried red chili powder. Now you can avoid seasoning, that is red chili and fenugreek. You can use only salt. I have taken here a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a tablespoon of sugar. And instant dry yeast, of course, for about 7 grams. And now I'm making here mutton pizza, so I've taken here 250 grams of mutton chopped. For seasoning it, I'm using here a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and a teaspoon of red chili powder, and salt as per your taste. And I'm using here mozzarella cheese for about 30 grams and pizza cheese for about 150 grams. And to prepare sauce we require 500 grams of tomato paste. You can use tomatoes also, but 500 grams, a pot of garlic, and a teaspoon of garam masala, allspice powder, and salt as per your taste. Now let's prepare the dough. To prepare a dough we require a big bowl, and to this big bowl we are going to add olive oil, sugar, yeast. Make sure to take a big bowl, otherwise when you ferment it the dough will rise and fall down. So take a big bowl, add olive oil, sugar, yeast, and warm water. Before adding the warm water, check the temperature and add the warm water. Now immediately you can see the active yeast will react, and mix this and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and seasoning immediately, and mix them so the dough will start working. Now you can mix this with your hands, with the spatula, with beater, anything. Make sure to mix this. Now I have added here 2 cups. As you can see the consistency will be thin. So now I am going to add 1 more cup of all-purpose flour. So totally I have used 3 cups of all-purpose flour. So always check the consistency and add 1 cup later. Firstly add 2 cups and then add 1 cup later, as I have shown here. Now you can see the consistency is not too thin, not too thick. It's sticky but it's perfect in between. Now I'm going to ferment it for about 1.5 hours. I have kept it near the microwave so it will rise perfectly. I have added a cling wrap. You can add a cloth on the top of it. Now I am taking a mutton. I have added all the spices which I have mentioned in the start of my video and marinated it for about 15 minutes, and then I have cooked it in a pan with hot oil, and I have cooked it for about when the mutton is thoroughly done. Now in a blender jar I have added all the spices and tomato paste and blended it and cooked it for about 15 minutes in a pan with oil. Now our sauce is ready, our mutton is ready. I have just taken out my dough and you can see it's soft dough. Now I'm going to knead this for about just 2 minutes, not more than that. So dust the dough in a clean surface and then stretch the dough with one hand and then pull it back and then pull it back like this. I have shown this technique in the whole wheat bread recipe too. You can check that out. I have just kneaded this for about 2 minutes, not more than that. You can see when I put the finger down it will come back and bounce back easily. So the consistency of the dough should be like this. Once again I'm showing this. It's not sticky and it's bouncy, perfect like a Domino's pizza or a Pizza Hut pizza. Now I'm dividing it into equal portions, 4 equal portions. Now take an oven tray and dust it with the flour. You can use semolina also to dust, and then spread it with your hand to make a perfect round pizza. If you can't do on an oven tray, do on a plate. Dust it and spread the dough with your hands evenly. Poke with the fork so the pizza will not be like a bread. Now my mutton is ready, my sauce, my cheese, and my pizza base is ready, and I'm garnishing it with coriander. So that's all ready. Now let's assemble it. To the pizza base, I'm going to evenly take a big spatula of tomato sauce and distribute it, and then add mutton and then cheese on the top, and then garnishing I am doing here with coriander. Evenly distribute the sauce and the mutton so you will get a perfect slice of pizza. So now we are going to bake this on the highest point of your oven. Bake it for about 20 to 18 minutes. I have baked it for about 230 degrees Celsius. That's the highest in my oven. So you will get a crispy and evenly cheese distributed pizza. So make sure to bake it for about 230 degrees Celsius to 18 to 20 minutes. The pizza is perfectly done, like a restaurant style, crispy and cheesy and yummy and delicious. Cut it with a pizza slicer or a knife. You can see it's so cheesy, evenly distributed sauce, evenly distributed cheese, and a crispy layer. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, grow my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Once again, the subscribers. I make sure to post lovely videos. Jazakallahu khair. Stay blessed, stay healthy.